Hi everyone, Tibrans here. Today we are going to look on dynamic data consolidation. So the main aim for doing this is that we consolidate the cell from Jan to June, for instance, so that we can get our total sales. So the main agenda here to get the total sales. And already we have populated our formulas here. So when we pull this data by data consolidation, already we'll get our sales here and the sales we're having per month from January running through to June as shown. So let's dive into our formula. So the first thing you're going to do is to have your CASA under item name, for instance here, because I want to pull these item names and the sales against each. So I will have my CASA on the item name, then data consolidation, then as it blinks, just ensure here is sum. Then under the reference, we are highlighting. So for January, add. For February, add. For March, add. For April, add. Then for May, add. And for June, add. Then the next step, check these boxes, the top row and the left column. So when I say OK, my data is already populated in this box, as you can see. So let's dive check. For instance, February, you can see wireless mouse. The first sale was 178, and the second sale for wireless mouse was 22. So when we just do a quick check, 178 plus 22, you can see this 200, and our return here for the data validation is also 200. You can also check on desktop lamp for which months they were. So a quick way to check this, we can come to conditional formatting highlight when it's equals to desk lamp red. So I didn't highlight this. It is equals to this. So you can see it's January and April, which is to 50 here and April 100, and it's already here to 50 in April 100. So it's accurately consolidated. Thank you for watching our tutorials and subscribe and follow us for more. Thank you.